Good morning, students. I hope you are enjoying your holidays full. So, in this video, I will be telling you your holiday homework of class 8, subject social science. So, let me tell you one thing that why we are giving this kind of syllabus. As you know, there are lot number of chapters there. So, through holiday homeworks, we will cover two chapters. So I want you to be very clear with this that you have to read each and everything which will be given to you, because at the end we will just do summary of these chapters while proceeding with our syllabus. So make sure you do these activities well. So let's get started. So this time we are going to do one activity, that is natural resources. This activity is based on your chapter 24th. So now I will tell you what material you will be requiring while making this, while performing, while doing this activity. So material required: one scrapbook, you need discovery book as reference, pen, pencil, color, marker, scale, anything with which you will, I can say, you will do the things, you will decorate it, you will write beautifully with different things, pictures, gum just for pasting the pictures, scissors, right? This will be the material you will be requiring, or any other thing you can add from your side. So how you will do this activity, I will tell you here now. Take scrapbook, cover it beautifully. आपने scrapbook ले लिया, उसको अच्छे से cover कर लिया. Then on first page you will write each and everything, name and class and whom you gonna submit that thing. Next page पे you will be writing activity name beautifully. You can do any kind of writing, you can make patterns, make it as creative as you can. Fourth, next page पे you will be explaining about natural resources, from where you can take help. Discovery book की help you can take, you can search on Google about natural resources and you can paste 1-2 pictures of that as well. Then you will design and define different natural resources according to your design. You will, what you gonna do later, आप हर पेज के ऊपर you will be explaining about each natural resource given in your book. Which are given in your book? It is about land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife. Then paste pictures of each natural resource with explanation. You will be pasting picture of that particular natural resource and will explain about that in a creative manner. Don't just simply write the things. It will be like it shouldn't look fine. It shouldn't look boring. Next, fill 2-3 pages for every resource. If you are writing about something on land, then make sure you write it for 2 to 3 pages, right? Like land के ऊपर you will paste picture, how it is useful to us, why it is getting degraded day by day and how we can conserve it. These are up to you, totally up to you, that which things you wanna included or wanna write about that particular resource. 8th, this is how your activity will be completed, right? So these were the things. Now I am going you the sample of how you can do that activity. First page I have already mentioned name and class. Second, it will be activity ka name plus picture. It is like not necessary, but to make it creative you can paste pictures, you can draw by your hand as well, right? Then third पे there will be explanation of topic. Which topic? Natural resource. Natural resources के बारे में you will write कि what are these, how they are helpful for humans, how we are dependent on them, each and everything. Then on fourth page you will start with your first resource, that is your land resource. According to your book, your first resource which is explained is land resource. 4-5 or I can say 4-5-6 pages pe you will explain about land resource. Reference I have told you, that is your discovery book. 6th 7th page pe you will write about soil, that like everything we are taking from soil only, plants, animals, fruits are everything is coming from it, right? तो इसके बारे में लिखोगे एंड कैसे इट इज़ गेटिंग डिग्रेडेड, कैसे कंजर्व कर सकते हैं, लिखना क्या है दैट इज़ टोटली अप टू यू. Then on next pages you will explain about water resources, then there will be natural vegetation, and last it will be about wildlife. This is how you will complete your scrapbook, which you will cover beautifully and everything. I hope you have understood this.